Good evening. Mastering English Evening Farewells. Hello there, language learners. Welcome to another insightful video. Today, we're going to focus on something very specific yet crucial in our everyday conversation: evening farewells. Yes, that's right. We'll learn how to bid goodbye in style during the evening hours. First things first, let's understand what evening farewells are. These are ways to say goodbye during the later part of the day. They often come in various forms and can depend on the context, cultural norms, or the level of formality. Remember, using the right farewell not only enhances your language skills but also reflects your knowledge of cultural nuances. Let's dive into some of the common evening farewells. When the day is coming to an end, instead of the usual goodbye, you might want to say good night. This is a very common farewell used just before going to sleep or ending the day's activities. Have a good evening. It is used while bidding farewell in the evening, usually not too late. See you tomorrow. If you're sure to meet or communicate with the person the next day, this is an appropriate farewell. Sleep well, or rest well, usually used in a more informal or personal setting, wishing the person a good rest. Now, let's see these farewells in action. 1. It was great catching up with you, John. Good night. 2. Thank you for the dinner, it was delicious. Have a good evening. 3. All right, team, we did a good job today. See you tomorrow for more exciting work. 4. You look really tired, Sarah. You should head to bed. Sleep well. See how using the right farewell not only ends the conversation but also conveys a warm sentiment. Well, there you go. Those were some common ways to say goodbye during the evening. Remember, the right farewell can be a pleasant conclusion to a day's conversation. So, keep practicing, and don't forget to use these evening farewells next time you bid goodbye to someone at the end of the day. Good night and happy learning.